like Shein, I'm done. Why you like, was I sleeping on Shein? Was I sleeping? Oh my days, guys, I'm so loving it. Oh my days, oh my days. Is this stuff right here, guys? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So get selling, as you can tell by the title. But before we start, I just want to apologize that I didn't upload on Tuesday. I know you guys must have been waiting that I will upload on Tuesday. I'm super sorry for keeping you guys waiting, but it's never too late. Just a day late. So with that being said, today I'm coming up to you with Shein trial haul. Guys, I'm super excited, same time I'm nervous. I'm really nervous because I don't know what I'm going to be, if what I purchase is what I'm going to be, if it's what I receive. But let's keep our fingers crossed. The stuff I got from Shein, and you know what to do, just click around. But before we start, please show your sister love. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and as well hit the notification bell, so with that you'll be notified when I have a brand new video on my channel. I'm mature, super classic. It's not looking cheap at all. Even the feelings when I opened the bag, it was just voila. Where are we? Does it worth it? We are going to be seeing on this video. You know I like to speak my honest opinion, don't speak out the tea, okay? I'm going to be showing you what I'm wearing right now. Is a two-piece set, crop top with tracksuit with a joggers, trouser, and which I'm really liking. I really like it. Is this olive green, and yeah, it's super crop. It's a bit tight. My shoulder are good. Anything for the gram, anything for YouTube, we are in, okay? So it was small, not extra small, because extra small is just going to snug me really my body in. It's just so on point. I'm loving it. The first item I got, the first item I opened, I'm impressed with it. So guys, the piece I'm wearing right now came with this bag right here. So there is a warning on it. It's also written Shein at the front. So if you want to return, it is written the procedure you have to go. Please do not throw the bag away. The way the package is. So we are going to be opening it together. I'm so curious. I don't really know what is this. I know it's white, okay, neck, and the size of this one is size small. In US is size small. In Australia is size small, size S. So this is how it looks like. This is a ripped midi dress, off white. I was thinking it's off white, but it's okay. It's pure white, and it's stretchy. As you can see, it's stretchy. It's very beautiful. It's a midi dress, okay? I can't wait to put myself into this dress, right? I like the fact that the neck is not over turtleneck. It's just so small and classic, and which looks very beautiful. So beautiful. I can't wait to try this on, and it's so stretchy. It's very stretchy. By now you guys must tell I'm not, when it comes to clothing, I don't really like white, but of lately I like white top, white jacket or something, but I don't really like white trouser, white dress. It's not really my thing. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I knew it's a high-waisted, and it has this kind of ruffle at the waist area, and at the front it has a zip. This is how it looks like. I love material like this. I really love material like this. I love something very flexible, not something always tight. So yeah, apart from jeans, I hate when trousers are very tight. I don't like it. It's not too long. I don't think it's going to be up to my ankle, if I'm not mistaken. It's a very beautiful trouser, and it has a belt, so you can easily belt it. This is the belt right here, and the trouser has a little bit of stretch. It's only just a little bit, if I'm not mistaken, it might be 5% stretch into it. It's very cute. I can't wait to put myself in, and there are no smell at all, guys. The feelings is just so, it's just so something there. Yeah. Oh my days. When I saw this sweatshirt, like I was just seeing myself in it. I seen myself wearing it already. I like the fact that the neck is very small, it's very hugging, it's not too tight, it's not too loose, and I like the fact that there is a little bit of details going on the front area. You can see a pretty girl with a pony hairstyle going on, so pretty, and it's a white as well. And the size of this one is size medium. In US is size medium, in Australia is size medium as well. The reason why I pick size, when it comes to sweatshirt, when it comes to jumper or sweater, I love when they are not too tight, when they're a bit baggy. So if you know what I mean, yeah, this is how it looks like. At the hand area, it has this kind of ripped details going on. As you guys know, sweatshirt always have this kind of thing. And at the waist area is a bit cropped. Folding in is just cropped at the bottom, as you can tell. So yeah, and I find and the material is very soft, guys. It's very soft. This is my first time getting anything from Shein. I decided to give it a try. I don't want to stick to one brand or whatever you call it. It's very soft, it's very friendly, it's very wearable, very, like, I don't know which word to use. It's very friendly, it's very soft, very, you know, that's my thing. Like Shein, I'm done. What you, like, was I sleeping on Shein? Was I sleeping? Oh my days, guys, I'm so loving it. Oh my days, is this top right here, guys. Top is long sleeve and it has a bit of turtleneck and it has a zip at the back and it has this kind of Versace logo button design at the front area. Oh my days, this is so beautiful, this is so cute. And I like the fact that the front is so short and the back is long. You are going to be seeing it when I wear it, guys. Oh my, and the material, like the material, oh god, the material is just, it's just something else. It's so beautiful, guys. And the size, of course, size small. In US size small. So yeah, it's very beautiful. So this is a dress, this is a dress, this is a dress, okay, this is a dress. It's size small, US size small as well. This is a mini dress, okay, and it has these two belts at the front, so you can easily make a style if you want. Nothing too dramatic, nothing too special. And I like the fact that it has a cut at the front area, so you can easily pop out your tatters out a little bit, okay. You guys have must tell I love something like this, because the reason why, just give me that Chanel vibe, okay, just give me Chanel vibe, Chanel vibe, Chanel vibe. Chanel is not for kids, you know what I mean. Chanel is so classy. It has this kind of very stretchy band at the waist area. It has this kind of ruffle at the top, which is normal when it comes to silky material like this. And for the trouser, it has no stretch on it. It's just a very beautiful cotton material. I like it. I can't wait to try it. And the size of this one is size small as well. When you style this with a very plain sneakers, it can be white plain, it can be blue plain, but just let the sneakers be plain, it's going to look very beautiful. So yeah, that shirt crop is a crop sweat shirt, okay. In the size, this one is size medium, and it's written at the front, just be you, like I always say, just do you, boo. It's crop, it's not long, and it has a very long hand, and it has this kind of hand, ankle, and the neck is also very beautiful. It's not so wide, it's not so tight, but yeah, the handwriting is so pretty. Check this out, the handwriting is very, I say streak again, streak. Okay, so oh my days, guys, don't mind me, sometimes I'm being carried away, okay. I totally forgot that I ordered this dress, this ripped dress. Oh my days. Guys, Demi girl, what are you thinking? What are you thinking? All this ripped sweater dress, okay. You need to I'm short of words, guys. I'm short of words. You really need to be extra before you wear this. When I mean extra, you need to be bold before you wear something like this. But you know, sometimes you need to step out of your comfort zone and do something really crazy, okay? It also has a slit at the side, as you can see. But I also like the fact that the way they ripped it is very thick, so you can easily see through. You need to wear something underneath, okay? This is something that you wear. I don't know, where do you wear this? You need to wear this when you're going for brunch. What I mean, when you are in holiday, okay? Please do not wear this to go out. Like, it's too much. It's just too much. You want to kill the people, okay? So you can always wear this. Don't wear this when it's a hot weather, like you're going to be frustrated because something like this is very hot. This size small, but there's no label on it, which I find very pretty because I believe the label is going to be distraction to this dress right here. And it's long, okay? It's super long. We saved the favorite for the end, of course. I got this jacket, okay? This is a coat. This is not a jacket. I got that as well, and the material is not stretchy, and of course you guys know this kind of material. The vibe is giving to me. It's giving me Chanel vibe. This is how it looks like, guys. This is how it looks like. This is not something that you, I don't know, this is not something that you wear in winter, in spring. Of course you can wear this in winter, but you have to wear a very thick jumper underneath. I ordered it extra for spring. So yeah, and it has a pocket, guys. It has a pocket. Wow, it's very beautiful. It has a pocket, and it has these two buttons at the front. It has two buttons at the front. It's on. I can't wait to try this on. I can't wait to try this on. That's pretty much it for this Shein try haul. It's so fun. It was really fun for me to do this haul. I really like it, and the material, they feel so very, I don't know, very expensive. They don't feel cheap. They don't feel that you order it from online. They just feel that it was extra made for me. I just like the feelings I have. My first impression is embedded. So you can always go ahead. I'm going to leave every link you need to order this. I'm going to leave everything down below, and as always, you guys should let me know which one was your favorite. Of course, I know the one that suits me better, of course I know, but I always like you guys to tell me also that this one looks good on me, this one looks good on me. No one knows the best, no one knows all. Sometimes we need a little bit of credit from you guys. Anyway, guys, without any further ado, thank you so much for watching. If you watch this video to the end, thumbs up. Even if you watch it to the middle, thumbs up. Leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Like I said, no long talking. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, love you, chat. Mwah. Mwah, 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 mwah.
Breathe you in like oxygen. Oh, in an otherwise suffocating world, I'm reaching out for arms, I'm drowning in the open-ended love we're making, girl. Exhale the past, inhale a future that lasts. Change my heart, change my mind. For the last time, wanna believe in the life I've led. I don't wanna leave another word unsaid. You know my heart will follow you in tomorrow. In tomorrow. Shared my evidence you once really cared. I'm reaching for a hand to pull me up, one open to an everlasting love. Exhale the past, inhale like oxygen. Oh, in an otherwise suffocating world, I'm reaching out for arms, I'm drowning in the open-ended love we're making, girl. Exhale the past, inhale the future that lasts. Change my heart, change my mind for the last time. Wanna believe in the life I've led. I don't wanna leave another word unsaid. You know my heart will follow you in tomorrow. In tomorrow. That we've shared, my evidence you once really cared. I'm reaching for a hand to pull me